there, I wanted to talk to you about some sloppy paper errors. Typically, students ask, aren't mistakes okay? Usually, I would say making mistakes is okay, but the mistakes I'm going to talk a little bit about in this video are just plain sloppy. So we want to avoid these at all costs. So not capitalizing the first and last names of characters or even of your own name. Proper nouns are capitalized, as well as using the personal pronoun I. You might text informally, but whenever you are writing a paper, it is a formal paper, and the expectation is that you are capitalizing appropriately. Spelling characters' names or words incorrectly. Again, your document tells you when a word is misspelled, so not correcting that is sloppy. Using the incorrect pronoun when referring to characters. Using her when referring to a male character. Please make sure that you are reading your paper aloud. This will help you to hear if things not only make sense, but also to hear when you perhaps are using an incorrect pronoun. Mistyping a quote. If you are quoting something, you are saying these are the exact words in this book. So please make sure that you are typing that correctly. Punctuation errors. Again, if you are in doubt, please ask, but we have studied grammar. Please make sure that you are using all of your resources. Another one is not formatting your paper correctly. When I set up a Google Doc, I set up the formatting for you. So your font size, the font type, the spacing, all of that is set up in advance for you. We use MLA for English, so please refer to the resource folder. Otherwise, know the basics. You are using Times or Arial. You are using size 12 font, and it is double-spaced. Turning in a rough draft for your final draft with the highlighting still on it, that is incredibly sloppy. Ignoring all of the feedback that I have given you. If I commented on one aspect of your paper, like citations, please check all of the other citations in your paper, not just that one, okay? I am giving feedback on over 100 papers, so while I am giving you feedback, I do expect that you're checking the rest of your paper. Not introducing or citing your quotes. That is part of the Raises A+. If you don't know how to do that, please see the video on how to do that. Same thing for not explaining the quotes. I did a Raises A+ video to help you with that. If you have questions, please come see me. The other thing I have been seeing is starting a thesis or a theme statement with the words I will tell you about. I realize you may have done this in previous grades. However, in high school, we're trying to move you to a more sophisticated style of writing. Please refrain from using I will tell you about. If in doubt, again, watch the video on how to write a theme statement. And finally, not including a works cited page when appropriate. I have created a video on how to do that with instructions for you. If you have questions, ask. So I have gone through these things with you in class, and it kind of makes me want to tear my hair out a little bit. So please, please double check your paper and know that when we do teacher feedback or peer feedback, that is your opportunity to have someone else look at your essay and tell you what it needs for improvement. I provide you with a rubric. We do the peer reviews. I look at your paper. Those steps are your redo. So I don't give you an opportunity to resubmit your final product once I've graded it. That process was completed with the drafts, so please know that. The more eyes you can have on your paper, the better. Please use this time, use these steps to write the best paper possible.